So, newest arrival on the farm, 8 kiddo. Well, he's not exactly a kid, not exactly small. This is no lower Felix, a new Aubrac stock bull. A bull we purchased in France a number of years ago for Julie's dad. And now he's finished his time down there, so he's up here with our ladies. Fabulous bull. Fabulous, fabulous bull. Nullorg Felix. He's the son of Nepal. Nepal was a winner of Paris on a number of occasions. Great bull. Aubracs, we let them out here for yesterday. So there's 4 or 5 maiden heifers in there and dresser cows. And their baby cows.